If your TV screen is not turning on, don't worry, because today I bring you the ultimate solution to fix this problem. Hey, how are you? So let's get started with the first method that will help you fix this problem so your TV can turn on once again. The first method is to unplug the TV's power cable. Leave it disconnected for a moment until I tell you otherwise. This is the first step, unplug it. The next step is to find the cable. There's a power button on the back of our television. In my case, it's at the front. As you can see at the bottom, we'll press and hold it for around 30 seconds. Hold it down, do not touch anything else, and after that release it and wait for 1 minute using a timer to see if it works. After the minute, the next step is to reconnect the power cable to check if the TV functions normally. The second method involves the TV remote. Remove the batteries and hold the power button for 30 seconds even without batteries. Wait the time and then insert new batteries. In my case, the batteries are new, but I recommend you use a new set. Try turning on the TV once more. Another method to determine if our screen needs any repair is to get close enough to the screen and shine a flashlight directly on it. If you can make out any text or image, it means the screen likely needs some repair. Subscribe if this video helped you out.